Hi, welcome to another session. So today we are going to see about the questions and answer format, that is regarding the geography option. So examine the impact of increasing greenhouse gases on the heat budget of the Earth atmosphere. So what is the question here? See, impact of increasing greenhouse gases on heat budget and on of the Earth atmosphere. So 15 marks question, right? So 3 pages, first side, second side, and third side. So how to begin? You see, I'll begin the answer with the introduction of giving by the IPCC report. See, according to the IPCC report, according to IPCC a report, okay, the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases by man-made or by the human activities will increase the stay time of the long wave terrestrial radiations. Long wave terrestrial radiations which are leaving the earth, which are leaving the earth atmosphere, which are leaving the earth surface. Okay, so this is one introduction. So this I can write as an introduction. That means I can draw a small diagram also here. This is the earth surface and this is your sun. So this is your short wave radiations and these are greenhouse gases. So what will happen? The long wave radiations are trapped, and they are radiating back. So here I can say the stay time is increasing. Okay, so what is the question here now? What is an impact of this? Okay, what is an impact of this? So now the main body, I'll begin the answer like this. I'll explain here how the stay time is going to how the stay time is increasing because of the presence of greenhouse gases. So I can write, since my main body begins, since increasing concentration of greenhouse gases will increase the capacity of atmosphere or atmospheric heat reservoir. Atmospheric heat reservoir, that is okay. Then that is to observe heat, observe the heat or energy. I can write, increasing the concentration will increase the capacity of atmospheric heat reservoir. So that will be heat, more heat will be reserved. Okay, increases, right? So full stop. Then this in turn would cause global temperatures. Because of this in turn would cause global temperatures global temperatures to rise, or in other words, it would cause the global warming, or simply it is nothing but global warming will take place. What is this? Global warming will take place, right? So you can also say that the concentration of like your carbon dioxide, methane, the other greenhouse gases has the potential to trap more long wave radiations and re-radiate it back onto the earth's surface, earth atmosphere, and due to which the stay time is increasing and also the global warming is taking place. Clear? Like for example, I can say, I can give the example, like according to IPCC report, assessment reports. So according to this report, the contemporary impact of global warming is contemporary impact of global warming is like you can say oceans are observing more, oceans impact, temperatures are fast rising, oceans observe 93%. So because of which the temperatures are rising, that is sea surface temperatures are increasing, temperatures is fast rising. And what is an impact of this? There are frequency and intensity of cyclones increasing. Am I right? Then you can also say that the land is progressively 3%, land is 3% progressively warmer. And glaciers are faster melting. So you can write this answers. Okay, this example you can write. But here you see, what is the question is, what is an impact here? You can see the question on heat budget. What is an impact of increasing? There is increasing. So I can write, since the rising temperatures. So what is happening here? There is a rising temperature, right? The rising temperature would give two types of feedbacks. Is a dynamic equilibrium. So it gives feedback system. It's a feedback mechanism. So there are two types of feedbacks because of the rising temperature. There would be positive feedback, and there would be negative feedback. What is this positive feedback would be? See, this positive feedback would accelerate the phenomena of global warming. This should, because of the rising, so it will accelerate. How it will accelerate? Accelerate the phenomena of global warming. How it is going to accelerate? That is a question. See, if the temperature increases, the question is how. If the temperature increases, can I say there will be a global warming phenomena? Global warming phenomena. Am I right? If there is a global warming phenomena, can I say there is a melting of glacier takes place? Melting of glaciers takes place. If there is a melting of glaciers taking place, can I say there will be decrease in the albedo? Decrease in the albedo. Okay, then absorption of insolation would increase. That means there is a decrease in albedo, absorption of insolation increases. Am I right? If this would increase, then what will happen? It further changes the temperatures, it further accelerate that temperatures. Temperatures would begin to rise which is leading to the global warming. And also one more thing is that when the melting of glacier takes place, whatever, the glaciers traps this carbon dioxide and methane. Okay, so the glaciers are trapped carbon dioxide and methane. So this will release, which will further release of these greenhouse gases. Okay, which will further release, and it will add to existing greenhouse gases. Am I right? It would add existing to the greenhouse gases. And the glacier, the capacity in the atmosphere would increase, and this will accelerate global warming. This will accelerate the global warming. Okay, accelerate the phenomenon of global warming. As changes become greater, what will happen now? As the changes become become greater, there will be negative feedback. Feedback mechanism comes into picture. Okay, so what is this? Actually, you see, this negative feedback, what happens? The temperature would rise, would increase here. Then can I say two things will happen? What is that? First is sea surface temperature also increases. That means, can I say more evaporation? More evaporation, right? More evaporation, it will take place. And if there is a more evaporation, can I say there will be more cloudiness? More clouds. So can I say that albedo increases? In this case, albedo increases, and the transparency of the Earth atmosphere decreases. Okay, the transparency of Earth atmosphere decreases. Here in this case, it will decrease. Am I right? It will decrease. So this will be the phenomena. This is one phenomena. Then the other phenomena would be your atmosphere. What will happen in the atmosphere? The specific humidity. So more temperature, it will lead to specific humidity will increase. Specific humidity will increase. Am I right? Specific humidity will increase, and because of this, there will be a climatic hazards. Okay, and because of this climatic hazards, your cyclones, thunderstorms, and heavy rainfalls, it will lead to cyclones, thunderstorms, and heavy rainfall. So the specific humidity increases, the climatic hazards increases. Okay, and this lightning, because of which thunderstorms and lightning will increase further, and this will leads to more amount of aerosols. And this aerosols again decrease the transparency of the atmosphere. Okay, increase control of radiation will take place. So this is the answer that you need to write, right? So what you can write: in order to avert the limit of rise of 1.5 degrees of global average temperature, governments that means many, has to take stringent or strict measures before any disasters starts occurring. Okay, this is some conclusion I can write. So etc. So I can write some conclusion. So this is about your examining the impact of increasing greenhouse gases on heat budget of the Earth atmosphere. Okay, so you can see our channel also. In few days it will come, edupro.in. So in this channel you can see what are the types of courses we provide, etc. Okay, you can visit this channel. This is your website, and there is an edupro channel also, Telegram channel also. Please subscribe it. Telegram channel also, edupro. It's a Telegram channel, which here we can post both the optional as well as the GS questions daily. You can see, and also if you have any doubts regarding any kind of subjects, you can ask here, edupro. Okay, thank you one and all. This is edupro ias.in, edupro ias.in. Okay, so thank you one and all.